Hi everyone, welcome to my Angular course. In this course, I will explore the new feature added until Angular 19 version, how they are different from the earlier version, and we will explore advanced concept and some experimental APIs. But first thing first, TypeScript. We need to understand the basic of TypeScript, so I will focus on that initially. So if you are an experienced developer, you can skip this part and focus on Angular concepts. And as you may have heard about the new concept like signals, model input, linked signal, resource APIs, we will try to cover them. In this course, we will also see like different way of doing Angular paradigm change. For example, passing data from parent to child. It used to be the at input decorator, but now you can use the input signal. Same goes for output. You can use output signal instead of at output decorator, and so on. So we will explore all those stuff and see how it changed from writing a simple Angular application to the complex one in this course. So let's get started. Thank you.